Hello beauty queens, I Queen here. This video is about how I achieved my 3 hair goals, which are reducing hair fall, improving hair growth, and increasing the thickness of hair by using onion curry leaves serum. Let's see how I make onion curry leaves serum and how to apply it. Click on the subscribe button to see more videos from my Queen. For this we need handful of curry leaves, half of an onion, 1 cup of water and a spray bottle or a container. Peel the onion and take half of it and cut onion into small pieces. Then add it to the blender cup and add curry leaves and water. Blend this for 3 minutes. After blend it well, strain and squeeze until all the juice is out. Now let's see how onions and curry leaves help to achieve my 3 hair goals, which are reducing hair fall, improving hair growth, and increasing the thickness of the hair. Onions are a rich source of sulfur, which can provide extra support on growing hair. Also, onion juice could increase blood circulation to the scalp and hair follicles. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. And then add it into a spray bottle or a container. Now let's see how I can use this. Apply the serum to the scalp or the hair roots and massage it well until it absorbs to the scalp. And leave it for 1 hour and wash your hair with mild shampoo. You can repeat this 3 times a week to achieve 3 goals which I mentioned earlier. Reduce hair loss, improve hair growth, and increase the thickness of hair. Curry leaves also contain many vitamins which can promote hair growth. Curry leaves are rich in beta-carotene and proteins, thus it helps for hair growth. The amino acids and antioxidants contained in curry leaves help to strengthen the hair and moisturize the scalp. Curry leaves also help to remove dead cells, which is the cause for dandruff. Thanks for watching. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.